Looks like the Haryana government is favoring the sons and daughters of prominent ministers and the deputy speaker. Yes, Ramvilas Sharma's daughter has been handpicked by the state government along with a relative of the deputy speaker, and they have been shortlisted as the top 5 candidates to be elevated to an IAS. At the moment, they're working with the state government in different capacities, and now they've been shortlisted. Is it happening as per merit? Doesn't look like at all. Because according to the annual confidential report of Ramvilas Sharma's daughter, it seems that she was on leave for almost the entire period of last year when her ACR was prepared. In fact, last year, her application to become an IAS officer had been rejected by the UPSC on these very grounds, because they felt her ACR cannot count because it was only for a 3-month period and she was on leave for the rest of the period. So how can an ACR even exist? At the same time, if you look at her previous ACRs, they do not amount to the kind of merit of other officers. In fact, according to reports, there were at least 3 other officers who had an outstanding record over the last 5 years. All right, let's listen into Ramvilas Sharma's account now. Ramvilas Sharma, the education minister, whose daughter has been handpicked by the state government to become